Information about activity Maxsusenergogaz joint stock company. Uzbekistan carries out a wide range of reforms to increase the share of the private sector and reduce the involvement of the state in the economy. In particular, the decree of the President of the Republic of Uzbekistan dated April 28, 2015, 2340 on measures to increase the proportion and value of the private ownership in the economy envisages the implementation of the government stake in 68 joint stock companies to strategic foreign investors. One of these companies is a joint stock company, Maxsusenergogaz. 36.57% of the state shares in authorized capital of which is envisaged for realization to foreign investors. The company was incorporated in 1971 for performance of the following works and rendering of services: technical supervision of quality of construction and mounting works at building and repair of buildings, gas pipelines, radiographic and ultrasonic control of welded connections, mechanical tests, chemical and metal graphic analysis of metals, startup and adjustment works and operation of electrochemical protection facilities of the main and distributive gas networks, repair, installation and adjustment of modern systems of control equipment, means of automatics of the various process equipment, test and adjustment of high voltage up to 110 kV inclusive and low voltage electric equipment at compressor stations, drilling installations and industrial enterprises. In 1995, Maxsusenergogaz Specialized Administration State Company was transformed to joint stock company. Maxsusenergogaz Joint Stock Company incorporates 15 industrial shops, a diagnostic center, 2 bases of industrial maintenance in Tashkent and Mubarak cities, which are not separate legal bodies. The basic priority of Maxsusenergogaz Joint Stock Company is rendering of qualitative services with application of modern technologies, devices and equipment. In the purpose of increasing works and expanding spectrum of rendered services by Maxsusenergogaz Joint Stock Company on the basis of industrial maintenance in Tashkent City, works on preparation of place for the installation of equipment for manufacture, anti-corrosive isolative tape used for isolation of external steel surface of pipelines at building and repair underground gas oil pipeline for the purpose of their protection against corrosion at operation temperature from 60 up to 50 Celsius will be carried out. In order to maintain activity of the company, work on the conclusion of contracts on performance, starting up and adjustment, repair work at enterprises of Uzbekneftgaz National Holding Company was carried out. Production of thermal energy in the form of a steam at the Pop Tank Farm Shop number 5, Bukhara Oil Refining Company Shop number 6, and Uchkir Sulfur Refinement Facility of Gazli Neftgaz Dabycha Unitary Affiliate Company Shop number 8 is going on. Dividend policy of Maxsusenergogaz Joint Stock Company is the main component of its financial strategy and includes principles, forms and methods of definition and payment of the dividends to holders of actions. It is directed to maximization of well-being of shareholders. Formation of this policy is in the competence of general meeting shareholders. The predicted amount of works and services for 2015 makes 55,249.3 million Uzbek sum, which equals to $21.6 million US. Thus, the industrial cost price will make 42,041.8 million Uzbek sums, that equals to $16.5 million US, or 76.1%. From the industrial expenses, periodical expenses make 11,787 million Uzbek sums, which equals to $4.6 million US, or 21.9% of full expenses. As a result of economic activities, it is predicted net profit in amount of 1,673,096 Uzbek sums, which equals to $655,000 US. Dear investors, complex of tax privileges and preferences for foreign investors is provided in Uzbekistan. Invested by you, funds will make a profit to you and serve as a contribution for upgrading and development of Maxsusenergogaz Joint Stock Company.